Hey, it's me, Marie, and it's time to read and learn. In this video, we're gonna learn 5 different outdoor jobs by reading some paragraphs. Are you ready? Here we go. On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to SaturNifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. I am a traffic police. I deal with traffic problems and illegal driving. Do you need help? I am a hot dog vendor and I have a hot dog cart that can be moved around. I sell hot dogs. Do you want one? I am a street painter. I make art in public places. I can paint your portrait. Can you sit still? I am a street sweeper. I am responsible for cleaning the streets and public places. Sometimes it's a big mess. I pick up passengers and take them to their destinations. I can see you at the taxi stand. Wait for me. A street sweeper. A taxi driver. A traffic police. A street painter. A hot dog vendor. Well done, everyone. Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.